In a car that quietly shaped the world of hatchbacks for 5 decades, and in 2026, it's still rewriting the rules. The Volkswagen Golf 2026 arrives not to shout for attention, but to confidently remind everyone why this nameplate has survived trends, technologies, and entire generations of drivers. From the very first glance, the 2026 Golf feels instantly familiar, yet noticeably sharper. The proportions remain perfectly balanced, but the design is cleaner and more modern. With slimmer LED headlights, a wider front grille, and more sculpted lines flowing along the sides. The car looks planted and confident on the road, whether it's finished in a classic neutral color or a bold new shade aimed at younger buyers. At the rear, redesigned LED taillights and subtle aerodynamic tweaks improve both style and efficiency, proving that the Golf still believes good design should serve a purpose. Step inside, and this is where the 2026 Golf truly shows its evolution. The cabin feels more refined, more digital, and more intuitive than ever before. Soft touch materials, tighter panel gaps, and improved build quality immediately give a premium impression. The central touchscreen is larger and faster, with an updated Volkswagen infotainment system that's more responsive and easier to use, even for drivers who aren't tech experts. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the digital driver display is fully customizable, letting you choose between navigation, performance data, or classic speed and RPM layouts. Ambient lighting, improved voice controls, and smarter climate settings make daily driving more comfortable and less distracting when it comes to performance. The 2026 Golf continues to offer something for everyone. Entry-level petrol engines are smooth, efficient, and ideal for city driving, while mild hybrid options improve fuel economy without changing how the car feels to drive. For those who enjoy a bit more punch, turbocharged variants deliver strong acceleration with impressive balance and control. The steering feels precise, the suspension absorbs bumps without feeling soft, and the car stays stable at highway speeds. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or taking a winding back road, the Golf remains one of the easiest and most confidence-inspiring cars to drive in its class. Safety has always been a Golf strength, and the 2026 model pushes that even further. Advanced driver assistance systems now come standard or are widely available across the range, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and improved parking assistance. These systems work quietly in the background, helping rather than interfering, which is exactly how most drivers want modern safety tech to behave. One of the Golf's biggest unique selling points has always been its versatility, and that hasn't changed. It's compact enough for tight city streets, yet spacious enough inside to comfortably carry adults in the back and a surprising amount of luggage in the boot. The rear seats fold flat, turning it into a practical companion for road trips, shopping, runs, or even light moving duties. Few cars manage to balance everyday usability and driving enjoyment as well as the Golf does. What really makes the 2026 Volkswagen Golf special is how complete it feels. It doesn't try to be the sportiest, the cheapest, or the most luxurious car on the road, but instead focuses on doing everything well. It's a car that suits first-time drivers, families, professionals, and enthusiasts alike. It adapts to your lifestyle rather than forcing you to adapt to it in a market flooded with SUVs and oversized vehicles. The 2026 Golf stands as a reminder that a well-engineered hatchback can still be the smartest choice. It's efficient without being boring, modern without being complicated, and refined without losing its soul. And that's why, even in 2026, the Volkswagen Golf remains not just relevant, but genuinely hard to beat.